Alright, we're going to find a right endpoint Riemann sum of this function from x equals 0 to x equals 4 with 4 rectangles. So we break this up into 4 rectangles, and since it's right endpoint, we'll use the right side of each rectangle. So, and we know where to break this up by finding delta x, which remember is equal to b minus a over n. Here our b is 4, our a is 0, our n is 4, so our delta x is 1, so we know that every 1 starting at 0 we're going to have a different rectangle. So here's our first rectangle. It's right endpoint, so we draw a line from the x-axis to our function, then go across. Then our our next rectangle has a delta x of 1 as well, so its width is 1. So once again we go up to the top and then over to the previous rectangle. Do the same thing here, right side and over, and here, right side and over. So this is going to be our approximation. So we have our delta x, and we remember that the equation looks like this. So we have our delta x, it's 1, and our n is 4. So we're going to have 4 different f of si's, and as you probably guessed by now, they're going to be at 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to have f of 1, I'll put it down here, f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4, and each of those is times delta x, which is 1, and now we just find what each of these are. So f of 1 is equal to 3.5, f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 3 is again 3.5, and f of 4 is equal to 2. And so our answer is going to be 13.